Ever thought sweet potatoes are just a Thanksgiving side dish or a dessert ingredient? Well, time to rethink that notion. There are a few common misconceptions about sweet potatoes that we need to address. First, many people believe that sweet potatoes are only suitable for certain recipes, like casseroles or pies. However, the truth is, these root vegetables are incredibly versatile. They can be baked, mashed, fried, or used in salads, stews, and even in smoothies. The second misconception is that sweet potatoes are high in sugar. While they do contain natural sugars, they are not the same as refined sugars found in processed foods. In fact, the natural sugars in sweet potatoes are slowly released into the bloodstream, helping to ensure a balanced and regular source of energy without the blood sugar spikes. Lastly, the idea that sweet potatoes are fattening is another myth. Sweet potatoes are actually low in calories and packed with fiber, making them a great choice for those watching their weight. So it's clear that sweet potatoes are much more than just a holiday side dish or a pie ingredient. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, let's dive into the health benefits of this vibrant root vegetable. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with a variety of health benefits that make them an excellent addition to any diet. Let's break down what makes this humble root vegetable so special. Firstly, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of dietary fiber. The high fiber content not only aids in digestion, but also helps you feel full longer. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to control their weight or manage hunger pangs. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also a rich source of vitamin A, a nutrient well known for promoting good vision. In fact, a single serving of sweet potatoes can provide more than 3 times the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. Now, that's something to make your eyes widen, isn't it? Moving on, sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants. These are compounds that help your body fight off harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. In addition to being nutrient-dense, sweet potatoes are also a great source of energy. They are filled with complex carbohydrates that provide a steady supply of energy to keep you going throughout the day. This makes them an ideal choice for athletes or anyone needing a little extra fuel to power through their day. Lastly, let's talk about weight loss. Due to their high fiber content and low calorie count, sweet potatoes can be a smart choice for those trying to shed some pounds. The fiber keeps you feeling full, reducing the likelihood of overeating, while the low calorie count helps keep your daily intake in check. So, whether you're looking to boost your eye health, reduce inflammation, energize your day, or even lose some weight, sweet potatoes have got you covered. It's quite impressive how this humble root vegetable can pack such a powerful health punch, don't you think? So, to summarize what we've learned today about sweet potatoes, these vibrant tubers are more than just a holiday side dish or a pie filling. They're a versatile culinary ingredient that can be incorporated into your daily diet. And why wouldn't you want to do that? Sweet potatoes are low in calories yet packed with nutrients. They're a fantastic source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all of which contribute to a healthy, balanced diet. Let's not forget their potential health-boosting powers. From promoting gut health to enhancing your immune system, sweet potatoes have got you covered. They are also believed to support healthy vision and may even help keep your skin looking youthful. So it's time to rethink this humble tuber and give it the credit it deserves. Sweet potatoes aren't just for Thanksgiving anymore. They're for every day. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some sweet potatoes. Your body will thank you.